and welcome back to our channel. So today's video we are going to talk about how you can get a free virtual card here in Ghana. So you don't have to worry yourself. After creating your PayPal account, you just have to get yourself a virtual card that you're going to use it for all your online transactions, because I have a Fidelity Bank's virtual card over here, but it will not work for PayPal. So you just have to get yourself an online virtual card that you can use to link with your PayPal account. So alright, so I'm going to go to my phone screen right now, and then we proceed from that place. So before then, if today happens to be your first time of seeing me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. So let's dive into that. So all you need is to go to your Play Store or App Store on your phone. So this is an iOS device, so I'm going to go to App Store. Alright, so on your Play Store or App Store, all you need is to search for this app called Eversend. So I already have the account, the app, but rather I'm going to show you guys how to install the app. So with the App Store, all you need to do is to click on Get, like how it shows over here, like this one. All you need is to click on that Get button, and they're going to allow you to download. So after downloading, you just have to click on this section where it says Open, and then open the account. So I'll leave the link to Eversend in the description box, and then the pin comment section. Alright, so right after doing that, all you need is this account over here. So to get a virtual card, you just have to create an account. So they will ask you to create an account and verify your KYC. And right after verifying your KYC, that's where you can get access to all the features on this app. But before you go to you go to the section where it says create a virtual card. You just have to come to this section. You just have to and understand how the dashboard works before you proceed with everything. So where it says after creating your account, the only currencies that you're going to get is the Ghanaian cedi, the Kenyan shilling, and then the USD account. So you can switch to this section over here, this control but section over here. Then you click on that, and you can see where it says inactive wallet. You can click to add. So when you click on the currency that you want to add over here, you click on that, you hit on activate. They are going to add it to your active wallet. So you can add all these currencies depending on how or wherever you are watching this video from. But right after doing that, remember, before you can deposit, some of the features does not support you using your local bank account or your local wallets. When you come to Ghana over here, we have what is called mobile money. So if I click on Ghanaian cedis over here, like this Ghanaian cedis, you can see, if I click on fund wallet, you can see where it says mobile money. So this is what I can use to fund my wallet. But if I switch from this section to the European section over here where it says Europe, and hit on fund wallet, you can see where it says bank transfer and direct wire direct transfers. So that means any currency that you're going to choose can determine the your the uploading or funding details is going to change, or the method of funding your wallet is going to change. And if you don't fund your wallet, you cannot get access to all these things. So before let's dive into the reason why we are watching this video. You are watching this video. So you come to this section where it says more, and go to the section where it says card. So you can see that I have no card over here. But if I hit on create card over here, these are the terms and conditions that you need to understand before you create the virtual card with these people. So first of all, it says create a free virtual card. So creating the card is basically for free, but they have certain terms and conditions that you need to understand before creating this virtual card. So after creating the card, we have to add a minimum of $1 for founding your account, and then also for maintenance fee monthly they are going to charge you for $1. And then if you don't want to pay $1 each and every month, you can even pay $3 for the whole year. Okay, so it's one-time payment. So I rather advise you go for the $3 section, because that's going to help you, like you and I, who wants to perform or use the card for online transactions on paper. So that is it. And you have to understand this thing over here. It says international transactions fees, they're going to charge you 3.5% plus 0.5%, close to 4% of any transactions that you're going to perform internationally. So you have to understand. And then later on, go to this section where it says card penalties. So this section where it says card penalties, this is where the things gets complicated with this platform. So you can see over here it says card deletion. So newly used cards will be terminated after 3 failed transactions attempt due to insufficient card balance. So for instance, if you try to enter, or you are trying to purchase something and you don't have money in your wallet, after trying for 3 times, your card can be deleted. You have to get that in mind. And if you want to bring it back, the penalty fee for each and every failed transaction will be 0.35% or 0.35 USDT over here. And the card will be blocked due to insufficient card balance. So if you don't have any balance, or if you don't have money, you just have to check before you try to purchase any item on the internet using this card. So right after doing that, you have to click on this section where it says accept and continue. So this is where you have to choose wisely. So you choose the section where it says monthly fee. That means they're going to charge you each and every month for $1, and then one-time payment for only $3. So I'll advise you go for the $3, and then you're going to be free. But before you go to that session, just come to this session before you go to that. So let's close this button over here, and then let's go back to fund your wallet before you try to get the card. So where it says switch to this session where it says card Ghana cedis, you hit on this session where it says Ghana cedis and hit on fund wallet. So fund wallet, when you click on fund wallet, you're going to land on the dashboard like what you see right now. So all you need is to come to this section where it says mobile money, and you enter your mobile money details over there. Right after entering that, this is where you can they are going to deduct the money from your mobile money wallet, and you have to get money into your mobile money wallet before you try this method, and it's going to work perfectly for you. If you don't have that, you can add a new wallet if the other one does not support, whether you owe quick loan or no those stuffs. You can use another wallet over here, or you can use Fincra link. But as for that one, I don't even know what it means, but let's continue with that. So your wallet in the European, you can come to this section where it says exchange. So when you click on the exchange button, so you can see €1 is equals to 12.97 Ghana cedis. So if you want to exchange any money from euro to Ghana cedis, you can click on that and convert. It's very straightforward for you. So any money that you're going to withdraw will be in your wallet of either USD or the Europe section. So any money that you withdraw from your PayPal account will be available on your USD wallet or your Europe wallet, depending on the currency that you were using on your PayPal account. So this is how you can get yourself all these things. So when you come to this section over here, if I click on this section where it says send at this bottom over here, send button, this is where I'm going to see. If I want to withdraw money from my account, I can come straight forward to this place where it says send, and through that I can withdraw the money through my mobile money wallet. I can even come to this section where it says Eversend. I can withdraw through my mobile money, my bank account. If I add a bank account and airtime, I can use it to buy airtime. So the first platform that we at first we were using was PalmPay, but now I can see PalmPay is not available in Ghana, but rather in the Nigeria. So it's a little bit different in this. So the PalmPay, we were paying 30 Ghana cedis for that, and now you have to pay for I think that same 30 cedis for the whole year. So it's literally the same, so you don't have to worry yourself about anything. So this is where you're going to see everything, and this is where this is where everything gets complicated. Depends on how the number of people on your wallet right now, the number of numbers on your SIM card. That's how it's so if I'm able to refer 400 people from my contact, that means I'm going to get 2,800 from this platform. And you can see if I will leave the link to that. If you click on the link and sign up, you're going to get 7 cities, and I'm also going to get 7 cities. So it's always win-win competition. So that is that. So you have to click on the link in my description, and then you join this platform through my affiliate link, and you're going to earn 7 cities. So through that 7 cities, if you're able to refer 2 people or 4 people from this, you can use it to buy the Visa card for free. This is how you can get yourself a virtual card on the internet. If you love content like this, don't forget to like the video, and if you find any this video is helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And don't forget to comment down below all the things that you're going to encounter on this website. Don't forget to share this video for those people who also wants to get virtual card on the internet. And that is it. This is how you can get yourself a virtual card on the internet for free. I would like to end here, and then see you in my next video. Stay safe.